How to set up classic iPhone ringtone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up the classic ringtone that is the opening sound. For that, open up your settings and then go to sounds and haptics. Now here you'll find ringtone, tap on it and choose one of your sims, and then now here you'll find various ringtone options. Scroll down and go to classic. Here search for the opening sound. Once you find it, just click on it, and this is the classic iPhone ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.